Okay. I'm Danny with Multiaction. We're here at InfoComm, and Dr. Doreen has been nice enough to come by and interview me. Really quick, show you what our core technology is. It's our displays. Let me put this stuff down here. And our displays have a very unique touch technology built in.
This is just kind of my joke.
It's a rear infrared touch technology. And so if you look at this diagram, this is the optical stack with the TFT LCD, and then there's some space between the optical stack and the backlights. And the backlights, the white LEDs are what produce the image of any LCD, but we also add infrared LEDs and infrared cameras. And what that produces is an image that our intellectual property, our software package called computer vision, picks up and identifies as touches. And what it does is it creates this is a very large touch screen that I can operate like it's a tablet. But the other thing, the other unique thing about this touch technology is it will allow us to do things like unlimited touches. So it doesn't matter how many fingers or toes or noses we put on here, everybody gets the same response. But our touch technology will also read these block codes. This is a 4x4 block code. My block code translates to code 323. And 323 is programmed in this software to bring up a menu. And the technology will also track the rotation very quickly. So you can see that it tracks really fast. So our response time is amazing. It's unlike any other touch technology out there. We can do all kinds of things with this technology. We can do things like do a little lottery wheel. We spin that, and you can tell if you're a winner or not. We have customers. We have customers that have us built into like high-end tasting rooms and stuff. The Glenfiddich tasting room in Singapore is one. They put a CODIS marker under each glass that they serve. And if you walk up and say, I would like to try the 18-year-old scotch, they grab the associated glass, they pour the scotch, you turn around, you walk over to the bar, and you set your scotch down on the table, and it brings up information about that particular scotch. In this case, we just have the video of that particular application running. I'll kind of fast forward to when they put the glass on the table. You can see that now they have all the information about that particular scotch. And of course, with the CODIS marker, you can do all kinds of really neat things like just explode things and blow them up. Your imagination can take you to all sorts of different places, how you interact with the displays. And so I'm doing all this, I've showed you our hardware, I'm doing all this on our software package called Showcase. What Showcase is, it's a software package that allows the users, our end customers, to create their own content. Everything you're looking at here is one Showcase app that we created. But I can easily, very quickly, using a marker, switch to a whole different presentation. This one is called Sweetwater, and it's really pretty neat. It's a little showcase app. It's content that we created. It took about 30 minutes to put this together. You can actually play the drums. I don't know if you can hear it. We can play a bass riff. That's a guitar. That's a banjo, and those sorts of things. Just an example of what you can create with Showcase. We also did this one for InfoComm last year in Orlando, sort of a Disney theme. So we get the whole presentation if we want to watch the Raya and the Last Dragon.
Remember what we're looking for, and don't trust anyone.
This is Showcase allows you to create all this content very quickly, very easily. Anybody can learn how to do it. You can learn how to use Microsoft Word, and you can use Showcase to create your own content. Switch out of this.
A con, baby!
You want to pause the video really quick? Oh, you can edit it or whatever, yeah. So I'm going to exit out of this and just show you very quickly our last software product. disclaimer is that the computer that we're driving this on, and I wish I had thought to show you one of the things. So the computer we're driving this on was a machine that's been in our demo room since 2015. It's a very old PC. And I'm running a lot of graphics here. I wish I'd shown you and showcased one of the special things about our software platform is that it's all built on our SDK. It's called the Cornerstone SDK. What Cornerstone allows us to do is create very complex screens at extremely large resolutions, 20, 30 megapixel screens with lots of these panels. And in this case, I could have shown you, I could have opened up about 100 4K videos and put them all over the screen, and they all play flawlessly without any hitch. And that's even on a computer that was built in 2015. I've been joking, say it was built in the 1940s, because that's what it feels like to me. I think it is. So Canvas is our collaboration tool. It gives us the ability to whiteboard and do running meetings. And if you've seen one collaboration platform, you've probably seen a lot. I mean, we can dress ours up to look like a lot of different things. This is one we just did for as a demo for those guys. I'll bring us that same workspace here. So you can see, like, now the workspace is together. This workspace here could be anywhere in the world, but in this case it's right here. And so, you can see me navigate it. It works really nice for classrooms. You can create notes, you can browse the web, you can do all the things that any other whiteboarding platform does. What's unique about Multiaction is we're zero latency, and we're zero latency because we don't move a lot of bandwidth between our clients and the server. The only thing we move are keyboard strokes, mouse clicks, those sorts of things. So it's just metadata. It's very fast, and so what's really key about that is if we're doing voice with our session, you're doing voice with your session and I'm saying, hey everybody, check this out. If the arrow and my annotation don't match up with my voice, the meeting falls apart. And so we can claim that we are sort of real-time collaboration. We do that because we can put our server in the cloud, but we can also put our server local inside the corporate VPN, and all that's configurable.